Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you the last recipe for Spritz week, and today we're gonna make the Rosé Porto Spritz. It's really easy to make, so let's not waste more time and start with it. We take our glass of choice and we're gonna fill it halfway with ice. Quite voluminous drink, so maybe I will add some ice later on. So to that we're gonna add 4 ounces or 120 milliliters of Rosé port wine. Okay. To that we're gonna add 1 ounce or 30 ml of gin. $60 ml or 2 ounces of sparkling water. The recipe calls for some fruits, vegetables or something of that sort, so we're gonna add some peach. And originally the recipe calls for Hendrick's gin. I don't have Hendrick's, so I'm using a different brand, but that's the explanation why. We're gonna add some cucumber as well. Okay. And we're gonna top everything up with 4 ounces or 120 milliliters of sparkling wine. Okay, that's why I didn't put too much more ice. Now we're gonna gently mix. We're gonna drop a straw, and that is how we make the Rosé Porto Spritz. Let's give it a taste. It's not a bad drink, however it feels a little bit flat compared to the other drinks, other spritz variations I shared with you this week. This one feels a little bit kind of nothing impressive in a sense. Up to a point it's understandable because the port wine is a type of wine, the sparkling wine, so of course it's very wine forward. I don't notice at all the gin, so the main flavor that comes to mind when I taste the drink is just nice wine. So to compare it with something, some people tend to mix wine with sparkling water, so it's similar feeling due to the bubbles and the wine flavor. So indeed it's not a bad drink, and I assume after a couple of minutes the flavors from the peach and the cucumber will also give something to the mix. However, compared to the drinks I already shared in the channel this week, I think this one is tending to be at the end of the queue. Nevertheless, if you like wine, if you feel like experimenting and you want something different, definitely give a try to this one. I hope you enjoy the recipes during the week. Thank you once more for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye bye everyone.